Hello everyone, welcome to Eco Wisdom by Dr. Aditi. Today we have another interesting topic which is sunk cost fallacy. So, in simplest words, sunk cost fallacy is a thinking mistake where people continue to invest time, money, and efforts into something just because they have already paid for it or they have already invested money into it. So, sunk cost means cost which is sunk. So, that cost which actually cannot be recovered. So, the past investments. And fallacy means mistake, where people actually think that somewhere at some point we will be able to recover that loss or something good will happen. So that is a thinking mistake where people continue to invest more and more money and resources and time with it. There is also some amount of ego or pride associated with it because midway you cannot accept that you have invested money and time with something which is not going to be fruitful in future. So with that thinking and that ego, you continue to invest time and money, hence it is sunk cost fallacy. Now we'll look at some real life examples. First very common example would be of movie ticket. So suppose you have paid 500 rupees per ticket, and midway through movie you realize that the movie is pretty boring and nothing is happening, but you are reluctant to leave it midway and leave, go home, because you feel that something better will happen, or you feel that you have already paid so much of money for that at least now sit through the movie, and that's how you think of recovering those price or those amount of money. Second example would be another realistic example of business. So assume that there is a failing business or a failing project which is already in a loss consistently, but you are continuing to invest money, more and more money into the same business, hoping that at some point it will pick up, but actually that's not going to happen. So that is sunk cost fallacy. Another example which nowadays people can relate to is of college degree. So colleges and degrees are so expensive nowadays that suppose you have paid lakhs and lakhs for a college degree, and 2 years into the program or the course you realize that this particular degree doesn't really have that much of demand from the employer. So in the job market this particular degree will not give you that kind of advantage, or you realize that you have spent so much of money but you are not understanding anything, you are very bad at that particular subject or that particular course, but you still decide to pursue the degree, and you complete the remaining 2-3 years as well, hoping that it will help you in future, that somewhere those money that you have spent will give you something better. So that is sunk cost fallacy. So this is it. If you have any examples related to sunk cost fallacy which are real life examples, then feel free to mention those examples in comment section. Also don't forget to like and share this particular video. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and very soon we will come up with Marathi video of sunk cost fallacy as well. So both the videos you can find on my YouTube channel. So keep watching. Thank you so much.